Good morning! So we woke up pretty late. It's Saturday today.
Yeah, we did. We were dead this morning.
We slept in though, so that was good. And we're gonna go and get some breakfast. We're gonna try a new place. What's it called?
The farmer's table?
The Farmer's Table. It's a local breakfast area and it's a really nice day today, so we'll probably go out for a walk and take advantage.
Amen, sister.
Hi!
Hey, so we tried to try a new restaurant and mix it up on our Saturday morning breakfast, but Farmer's Table had an hour-long wait, and we're kind of hungry because we woke up late. It's really like lunchtime, so we're just...
it's almost 12 right now.
Yeah.
And they were still pretty busy. So, I mean, if they're busy, it's for a reason. So we'll definitely go check it out.
So some other weekend, probably next weekend. But today we're just gonna go back to our good old-fashioned Einstein's that doesn't let us down. So stay tuned.
Hello? Yes, did you call me? Mother? Gabriel was just lensing me out.
Yeah, man. Dirty girl. Alright.
We are here at Einstein's, my favorite. Ooh. Ooh. We finished eating. That was so good.
Yeah, we still hungry.
I'm not. I'm full. I got my iced coffee.
Cállate, peludo. Talking about myself.
Oh, okay. So Gabriel wants to go check out the farmer's market, and you know, I told him we can go another day because
no day like the present. Tomorrow isn't promised, girl.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So we might go check that out. So if we do, I'll insert some clips, you know, of our little farmer's market. We do live in Arkansas, so you know, our farmer's markets are little, but they're cute. So this is our little farmer's market. So I bought a cool shirt. I'm gonna show you guys in the car. Check out my shirt, y'all. And then it says here, I'll show you guys. It's a Friends Cash shirt, and it says, "I'll be there for you." And it's so cute. I love it.
We're here in the jungles of Africa, hunting down antelope.
So, this is where I like to come when I want to think. Right here. Look at this. Just hear the wind. Close your eyes. Picture right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for the picture?
Not yet.
Gabe's signature hiking pose. Yeah. No. Oh, okay. No. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna bust my ass here. There's a giant hole here, Gabriel. Huh? What is it? I don't know, what if it comes out? Oh, it's gonna come out.
It's coming.
No, there's too many holes here. I gotta go back down. No. I can't do it. I'm a chicken. Look at these freaking holes, guys. Ah, hell. Oh no. There's a lot of... Look, there's a hidden one. Yeah, guys. So this is what we like to do. We love nature and... yeah. Except I'm a chicken. So how are we gonna go back down?
That's pretty. Mm-hmm. What is that, babe?
What?
Can I do it, babe?
Yes.
Alright.
Are you really gonna do it?
You told me to.
No. No.
You're gonna save me, right?
Hell no, I'm not jumping in that water. Okay, go.
You convinced me.
Oh no. Can I take pictures too, I wonder? No, I can't. Come on, Slowpoke. Te vas a dar un... Oh my gosh.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you should come back too.
Slowly? No. Oh my gosh.
Oh look. There's other people here. See them?
It's Riverdale people, redheads.
Riverdale people. Oh my gosh. Where are they going?
This is where the other trail comes from.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I think we should go.
No,
Oh.
maybe there is a trail that way.
Yeah. There's two.
So you want to go?
Let's go here.
I think this one leads to, remember that grassy trail that we took from the botanical garden?
Oh, watch out.
Oh, right.
Spiny.
God.
Yeah. For sure. Wow. It's pretty here.
Yeah.
Trail closed. This one over here. This one over here. What? My gosh. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. I'm not jumping that. Thanks. You're so thoughtful. We just came to kind of, sit out here and
Enjoy nature.
Yep. So after our hike, it was time for some ice cream. Some Brahms ice cream. I'm gonna get ready to go eat some food, so I'm going to end the vlog here tonight. But I guess I'll show you guys when I'm just waiting for dinner. Let me move this. So I just have a bodysuit type t-shirt from Forever 21, and American Eagle jeans, and some booties. I believe I got these, where did I get these? We got these at Kohl's, I think. So just booties, and yes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We pretty much just enjoyed today's beautiful day outside, and we were out for most of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.